So, good day, sir. Our topic for today is data cleaning and processing. Our goal is learn how to clean, standardize, and connect messy real-world data. So, create a messy sheet, then copy this, and go to Excel. Paste. Then, first is a first is a standardizing test or create a clean name column. Create the clean name, enter. Then, fix capitalization. Saan ba? Fix capitalization and remove extra spaces. Then, copy the formula. Then, paste. So, as you can see, na-plaster na siya. Then, drag down. So, ang purpose niya is para ma-plaster ang name. Ang mga capital letter is ma-plaster. Then, ang una is big letter yun, ma-plaster. Na to? Next step? Next step is to handle missing data. Create an email and check column. Ah, email, check. Then, identify missing emails. Then, copy the formula. Then, process. And drag down. Then, nakita na sab nimo ang missing emails na si Sarah o si Chris. Then, proceed tayo sa standardizing categories or nested IF or IFS. So, create a clean status columns. Clean status. Then, copy the formula and paste. Drag down. So, ano, then proceed to text to column or data processing. Select to data to text columns. Choose delimited and check space. This will split into first name and last name. So, as you can see, same process pa din siya sa activity 2. And ulitin lang natin yung ginawa natin kanina. Insert one column. Then, data, split text to column. Then, apply. Apply. So, first name, and last name. Then, proceed to removing duplicates. Again, how to avoid duplicate records. So, copy two or three rows and paste them at the bottom. So, example, mag-paste og tulo. Mag-copy. Copy, then paste. So, select entire dataset. Select. Then go to data and remove duplicate. So, data, then remove duplicates. Then, check all columns. Select all. And okay. Then, tulo ka duplicates atong nakita. So, okay. So, wala na siya duplicate. Clear na. So, let's proceed to data join with VLOOKUP or XLOOKUP. So first, we create a sheet or new sheet pricing. Name, add, then rename to pricing. Then, product name on standard cost. Copy. Then copy the product name and the standard cost. Paste. So, kasi nakita na dahil direct na siya. Then, back to main sheet para mag-create og cost column. Then, balik sa sheet 1. Huwag mo og cost column. Then, copy the formula. Copy the formula and paste. So, as you can see, in A, ang nakabutang, so siya kay naa siya sa dito, kay ang dito man kay na siya sa email column para makuha nato ang min status column. Sorry, then para makuha na. Need na to i-change sa E2 kay product name man siya. So, E2. Enter. So, as you can see, makita na siya ang then drop down para makita tanan. So, go to pricing. So, di ba? Kita. So, this is my final output for activity 3.